Imagine a terrain that's as wild as your wildest dreams. A land untamed, untouched, and unyielding, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Picture steep hills that soar into the sky, daring any challenger to scale their heights. Now visualize treacherous mud pits, like quicksand, eager to swallow any machine daring enough to venture into their depths. Imagine dense forests, their thick canopy concealing a labyrinth of obstacles, ready to test the mettle of the hardiest adventurers. Envision rocky paths, jagged and uneven, designed to test the endurance of even the most robust machines. Each of these obstacles a testament to the raw power of nature, a challenge for any vehicle. This is no ordinary journey. This is a gauntlet that only the most formidable, the most powerful, the most daring can hope to conquer. And in this brutal battleground enters our hero, a beast of a machine, the lifted truck. The lifted truck, a marvel of engineering, customized to conquer the wild. This beast of a vehicle has been painstakingly modified to tackle any terrain that dares to challenge it. The lift kit, an integral part of this transformation, raises the truck's body, providing clearance to navigate over even the roughest landscapes. The larger tires, not just for show, offer a wider contact surface for better grip and stability on slippery or uneven ground. Now, let's talk about the enhanced suspension. This isn't your average truck suspension. It's been beefed up to absorb the shocks and jolts of off-roading, making the ride smoother and safer. And we can't forget the other customizations, each one purposefully designed to enhance the truck's off-road capabilities: winches for self-rescue, skid plates for underbody protection, and snorkels for deep water crossings. With its modifications, this truck is not just a vehicle. It's a testament to human ingenuity and the thirst for adventure. The stage is set, the truck primed and ready, the terrain unforgiving as ever. The showdown begins with the lifted truck taking on the wild terrain like a seasoned gladiator. It's not just about horsepower, but also about the driver's skill, the truck's modifications, and an unyielding will to conquer. The truck charges through mud pits, its oversized tires and heightened clearance proving invaluable. It's a dance of power and precision as the driver navigates rocky paths. The custom suspension absorbing the brunt, providing stability where there's none. Against steep hills, the truck's enhanced torque comes into play, demonstrating raw power in the face of gravity. In the dense forest, the truck's agility and the driver's sharp instincts make a formidable combination, threading through narrow paths and low-hanging branches. It's a testament to the truck's versatility and the driver's tenacity. Against all odds, the lifted truck emerges victorious, proving its mettle against the wild terrain. Off-roading with a lifted truck isn't just about getting from point A to point B. It's about the adrenaline rush that courses through your veins as you conquer the untamed wild. It's about the satisfaction of overcoming the impossible, of staring down the face of a rocky path or a mud pit and saying, "You're not stopping me today." Off-roading isn't just a hobby. It's a passion. It's a lifestyle. It's the thrill of the ride. It's about the stories you'll tell, the camaraderie you'll find, the challenges you'll embrace. It's the sense of accomplishment. When you conquer that steep hill you thought was too high, or when you navigate through that dense forest you thought was too thick. It's about pushing your limits, about challenging what you believe is possible. In the end, it's not just about the destination, but the exhilarating journey, the battle against the odds, and the sweet taste of victory that makes off-roading with lifted trucks a thrill like no other.